Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to select multiple elements on Wix. So let's get started. So as of right now, what we need to do is to just utilize our keyboard. So use your mouse and your keyboard to do this. So for example, we want to select this mom live right here, as well as everything on the screen. So what we can do is we can just click on the shift and then click on this mom live right here. So let's click on shift and mom live, as well as this one right here. We want to also select that. So shift and click as well. And then let's just use this search bar right here if you want. You can also select this one if you want. So for this one, as you can see, we have selected two elements. So if you want to delete that, just click on the delete option on your keyboard, and as you can see, it will be deleted. So you can also do this on your header. For example, just shift and click, and then shift and click, and then after that, just do whatever you want to do with the elements that you have clicked. You can move them, you can delete them, or anything. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to select multiple elements on your Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below and subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon!